Ever since the election on November 8th, the market has been heading up, kind of like a firework going up into the sky, and we're just waiting for Dow to get to 20,000, and it's climbing, and there it is. Dow hit 20,000 on Wednesday, January 25th. So we hit 20,000 on the Dow. That was a historic moment. It was a big deal. But now what? Now where's the market going to go? Well, hard to say. Hard to say. It's been bullish, absolutely, undeniably since the election. The market's gone up, quite a bit. Here we are, just over Dow 20,000. Now, for context, let's just remember for a minute. Let's remember just for a minute. Here I am looking at the Dow on a weekly chart now. I've shifted from daily. That back in 2009, this bull run started, and it's gone on for 8 years. It's been impressive. We've enjoyed it. We've profited along the way. We profited during a couple pullbacks. So will it continue to go up? Are we going to see Dow 21,000, 22,000, something like that? Time will tell. I've been saying this for a while, and it's true. The market doesn't go straight up forever. So will it correct pretty soon? It's hard to call that. We don't have evidence of it beginning to correct yet. So we're going to enjoy the run. We're going to trade individual sectors and markets and stocks that make sense. But it's a little late to be getting late just on the indexes. This is obviously mature. And if we just look, let's go up in one more time frame. So here's the Dow on a monthly chart, and you can see, here was the run up to the .com. There was a .com bust. There was the next run up. There was the mortgage subprime deal, the correction, pretty nasty. And now we've had this. Look how long this is compared to these other bull runs, and look how fast it comes down when it does come down. So there's no evidence of it turning yet. We'll have evidence. So but this is a long, extended bull run. Again, it's been awesome. And when it turns, it's going to be awesome too. And we'll be watching that very closely for the evidence. And when it begins to happen, we're gonna profit. Those who are prepared, who have a trading plan to trade the downside, are going to profit handsomely. But no sign of it yet. And we'll just keep waiting and watching and enjoying the run and celebrating Dow 20,000. And we'll trade safe. We'll use risk control. We'll keep our winners big and our losers small. So that's the update. Let's take a look now at gold and oil, as always. Those are pretty interesting right now. So here's gold futures chart on a daily time frame. And we've been talking about this run up. This was nice. We actually got some nice trades on gold in this run up here. No surprise after a strong rally like that it's pulling back a little bit. And this is how price moves: higher highs, higher lows. So we're expecting pretty soon more highs and this rally to continue. It could even pull back some more. But we're bullish on gold. When this turns around and proves that it's heading up some more, we're going to be back in it, taking some more profit. So pretty excited about gold and pretty bullish on it right now. Here's oil on a daily chart. Oil's just struggling. It had a nice rally going, and it came up against previous highs, kind of stalled, and it's pulled back, starting to head up again. We really want to see it get above this line I've got drawn here at about 56.27. It needs to go through it with some real momentum. And if it does that, then we believe that oil has some pretty good upside. And I'll just shift time frames here. And you can see after the massive drop down from over 120, we think a retracement up into probably 70s to 80s, completely probable. But we got to break through this level first. And it may continue channeling, going sideways, swinging back and forth in this range right here for a while. But if we do see this break, we could be seeing a pretty good run up in oil coming. So that's the update. We hit Dow 20,000. It's exciting. We're participating in that trend. We're long on several positions. And someday that will end, and then we'll have signs of that. We'll monitor it. We'll give updates. Gold's looking pretty bullish, and we're just waiting for oil to break out and do something interesting. Well, that's the update for this week. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure and come back, because again, we'll give updates on the market as the story plays out, and it's never dull. So keep your winners big, your losers small, use good risk control, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.